What's going on, crypto enthusiasts and crypto beginners? I'm Hussein the Brain, and today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin. If you're watching this video, you're likely a beginner to the crypto world, to the blockchain technology, and to Bitcoin. The first thing you want to do is go to Coinbase.com. I have a video about Coinbase, but I'm going to show you really quick how to use it. Super simple. You go to Coinbase.com if you're on desktop, or you can download the mobile app. After you sign up and create an account, you'll be inside Coinbase. Just go ahead and log in. This is where you can see the charts. Currently, you can buy 4 coins on Coinbase, and they'll just keep adding coins. I believe there's a rumor they'll add Ripple. So all you got to do is click buy, sell, buy. It's automatically there, and just enter the amount of Bitcoin or US dollars you want. There's 3 ways to buy it. You can buy it with your credit card, which is instantaneous, higher fees though. You can buy it with your bank account, which takes a few days. It takes a while, and in the crypto world, that's a few days is a long time, but the fees are much less. If you're investing for the long term, you might want to just use your bank account. But if you want some right now, and let's say you wanted to exchange it for some other coins, some smaller coins, they're called altcoins, which stands for alternate coins, then you may want to use your credit card. There's pros and cons to it both. I personally have some money in my Coinbase account. When I say money, I mean US dollars. I put it in my USD wallet on Coinbase, and that takes a few days to go through, but once it's there, the fees are the same as a bank account. It's low fees and it's instantaneous. So right now I have 150 USD in my wallet. Let's say we wanted to buy 150 USD of Bitcoin. You can enter it or just click buy max. Okay, that's how much Bitcoin it would be, and just hit buy. That's it. I just want to keep this video super simple, guys. If that helped you out, make sure you like the video, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Remember, 1 year in the real world is 1 day in the crypto world. I'll see you guys on the next video.